How to remove tea stains from the carpet? Are the old tea stains on your carpet an eyesore for you? Are you contemplating they may attract contaminants resulting in health issues? Your aspirations are not baseless. That can actually happen. You cannot afford to let that happen in this pandemic. You need to stay clean and safe. What do you need to do? You need to summon Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne. Our Melbourne carpet cleaners are the best in removing old tea stains from the carpet. How? We lightly wet the stain with water. We take a damp cloth and coat it with baking soda. Apply the cloth on the stain directly. Rinse the affected area with cold water. Repeat the procedure. Rinse the area again and pat dry it. So you see, that's what our Melbourne carpet cleaning experts would do. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.